Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting video. Today I'm going to share with you some of my positions I own. Now this is just a few, but these are some of my favorites that make me the most money. They're monthly paying REITs and some quarterly paying REITs. We're going to go through some of them real quick, briefly, because there's no way I could go over all the companies I do own. But if you like this kind of content, then smash the like button and subscribe. And if there's a stock you want me to do a technical analysis on or a fundamental analysis, let me know. I could do that. So first up, New York City REIT or NYC. This company is very volatile. So if you can catch it when it's down at like the $9 mark, then it can go up to 14 and then back down to 8 or 9 and then back up to 13 or 14 and back down. Plus they pay a quarterly dividend of 10 cents per share, which is pretty awesome. I love monthly paying stocks and quarterly paying stocks, man. Especially ones that appreciate over time. There's a few of them here. Okay, another company that has a little bit of volatility here. There's some nice dips. It's at $9.70. It's New Residential or NRZ. Now this company pays a dividend of 20 cents per share every quarter, though. It's every quarter. So that is okay still, but it is every quarter. You know, you load up on this, you can get some nice income coming in every 3 months. All right, UMC Corp, $10.37 currently. Now this has been going up for quite some time. Although it does not have a monthly or quarterly paying dividend, it did have a dividend payout of 22 cents on July 21st. It also had one way back last July 14th at about 10 cents. So it's doubled in a year, and it's also gone up quite a bit in the share price. So definitely a company to look out for. Now, all my subscribers know I love Gladstone Capital, or GLAD. I've had many shares of this company. I bought a ton of shares back before the pandemic and then sold, and then gratefully I was able to buy more as time went on. Right now we're at $11.53 on this company as a share price. This does pay a dividend every single month. Recent payout was August 20th. And they pay 7 cents per share. So load up on this, guys. You can make a good income every month by just investing in this one company. You put, $100 in it, and, let's just say 70 cents a month. So, almost $1 on your $100. Do that a few hundred times, you're going to make some good money. Redwood Trust, RWT, they're at $12.19. This company has also been going up quite a lot. Now, I love that they're able to go up. They pay a 16-cent dividend every quarter. And that's what I love about some of these companies I'm sharing with you, is that they're not only paying the shareholders a dividend, but they're also going up in their share price and appreciation. It's amazing. City Office REIT, or CIO, it's at $12.90 currently. They pay a 15-cent dividend, and it is also every quarter. Every quarter they pay 15 cents per share. Again, the appreciation on it is just amazing. I love that. Also getting paid. So the next one, I have two speculative stocks. This one's Lucid Group. They IPO'd recently for around $10. This is an electric car company that's kind of going to be competing with Tesla and NIO. They went up to $57, and then now they're averaging around $21, $22. So even if this company doubled to $50, I'd be happy, double my money, be good to go. But I could see it going up a lot higher if it works out. Also, another speculative company, this is VYNE Therapeutics, Inc. I know a lot of my followers and subscribers on YouTube are watching my channel just for these type of updates on this stock. I do try to do updates at least once a week on it. I'll try to do better on that. They had a reverse split in February, but as you can see, before the reverse split, they were really doing bad anyways. They had a $33 high at one point. I think back 5 years before, it had like a $300 high. But right now, analysts are saying that it's a 100% buy. The low target price would be $3, the average would be $7.50, and the high would be $14. But before the stock split, they had a price target of $40. So, it's definitely a company I could put more into in hopes that it will go up, and then double, triple, quadruple my money and go from there. But who knows? just wait and see, and I'll give you more updates. Now, if you guys like this video again and you're still sticking around, smash that thumbs up button for me, please. I appreciate all your support. And if you want me to do a video on any stock, I can. I go over the news, the fundamentals, the analysis. I'll go over what analysts are saying, and I do all the research for you so you don't have to. So just put it in the comments below a stock you want me to do a review on, and I will. Appreciate your time. I'm also going to try to do a video every single day again for the next 30 days. So cheer me on, help me out by liking my videos. And yeah, let's go from there, guys. It's going to be an awesome weekend, and we'll see you tomorrow in the next video.